Hi guys, we are going to go over Shurley Ch.9 Lesson 3. Now before you start watching me, I want to make sure that you have written down your vocabulary and analogy word, reference 148. So if you haven't done that yet on your notebook paper, go ahead and pause me and make sure that you have written that down. Okay? If you are ready to go and you have that all written down on your notebook paper, then let's turn to reference 149. We are going to learn about some other quotation rules. Number 1, longer quotes. The examples below show how to punctuate quotes with more than one sentence. So here's 3 different ways that we can do the punctuation and quotations for this sentence. They're all the same, but they are written in different ways, okay? Dad said, "Saturday is our day for chores. 2 of you will help me rake the leaves and mow the grass. The other 2 will help Mom clean the house." Saturday is our day for chores. 2 of you will help me rake the leaves and mow the grass. The other 2 will help Mom clean the house, said Dad. Saturday is our day for chores, said Dad. 2 of you will help me rake the leaves and mow the grass. The other 2 will help Mom clean the house. Let's look at part B. When a speaker has a lengthy quote that is longer than one paragraph, quotation marks are used at the beginning of each paragraph, but only at the end of the last paragraph of that speaker's quote. Then, when the speaker changes, a new paragraph is started with another set of quotation marks. Cindy told her friends, "I'm going shopping with my sister on Saturday. Do you want to meet us at the mall for lunch? We will have a great time." In fact, my sister said we could stop by all the cool places. I have my birthday money to spend. That sounds like a lot of fun, said Cindy's friends. We'll ask our parents. And I want you to notice the little things that they have in blue off to the right of those quotations. It says speaker begins, same speaker continues and ends, and then new speaker begins and ends. So notice where they put the quotes there. Number 2, a quote within a quote. Single quotation marks are used to punctuate a quotation within a quotation. My brother asked, "Did you hear Dad say, 'Get ready for bed'?" Number 3, quotation marks to punctuate titles. Quotation marks are used to punctuate titles of songs, short stories, poems, articles, essays, radio and television programs, short plays, and book chapters. Capitalize the first word, last word, and every word in between except for articles, short prepositions, and short conjunctions. I can recite several stanzas of Casey at the Bat. Number 4, direct quotations, indirect quotations, and statements. A direct quotation occurs when you show exactly what someone says by using quotation marks. So a direct quote. Anthony said, "I want a large order of fries." Part B. An indirect quotation occurs when you describe what someone says without using his exact words. An indirect quotation, Anthony said he wanted a large order of fries. Letter C. A statement occurs when no speaker is mentioned and no quotation is used. Anthony wants a large order of fries. Okay, so for your classroom practice 43, you are going to look at this chapter that we just went over and the chapter before. I know that this particular pattern 3, and then learning all these quotation rules is a lot. It's a lot to digest. So take it step by step, use all the references. Start at chapter 9, lesson 1, and work your way through to lesson 3. Okay, go through the rules, Also, on your editing portion at the very bottom, you are now going to have quotations added to that part. If you have any questions, please let me know. Let me see if there's anything on here I wanted to make sure I tell you. Actually, on this one, I'm sorry, I was wrong. On this one, there's not editing. Well, yes, there is. Yeah, it just looks different. So you'll notice exercise 3, you are editing it just like you always do at the very, very bottom of your classroom practice, but it's now this really big section because we are underlining things and we are making quotes, and it just looks a little bit different. So still editing, but slightly different. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you're struggling. I'm here to help. You can reach me quickly and directly between 9 and noon every single day, where I can answer your questions and talk to you quickly. The rest of the time, I cannot promise you that I will be prompt because that's when I'm on call as a mama, and it would be a little bit more difficult to get back to you with 2 little crazies running around. So let me know. Take your time. Do your best. Okay? You got it, guys.